Okay, so we have in this question, Mayank buying some candies for rupees 15 a dozen and an equal number of different candies for rupees 12 a dozen. So this kind of information is important. You need to understand what to equate. So what we can simply assume is he buys 1 dozen and 1 dozen for each. So start with something like this. So this is while the buying stage. So in the buying stage, let's say he buys 1 dozen and 1 dozen. So that's a total of 2 dozen. He spends rupees 15 on this and spends rupees 12 on this, right? Now, effectively, he's buying 2 dozens and spends rupees 27 on that, right? Now, he sells all for rupees 16.5 dozens. According to our assumption, he has just bought 2 dozens. So while selling, he should be selling all the 2 dozens. So 2 dozens he sells off at 16.5 per dozen. So that is rupees 33 in total because he's selling 16.5 per dozen. So 2 dozens would be a selling price of 33 rupees. Now, I hope you can see that for 2 dozens, so this is what we have for 2 dozens, the effective profit comes out to be rupees 6, right? But in the question, it says that he makes a total profit of rupees 150. So we need to convert this rupees 6 to rupees 150. So that means scaling of 25 times. So simply scale this also by 25 times to get the required answer. So this is a very, very simple question. It should not take even a minute to do this. It's a definitely must solve question. I'm still putting the ideal time as 1 minute. So even if it takes 1 minute, it would not be too much of a waste. But you don't have to apply anything in this question. Just assume it accordingly. Just keep this number as equal because that is what it is indicated. Had it said that he spends an equal amount to buy, rupees 12 a dozen. So accordingly, I mean, just to make the amount equal. So make it both to 180 rupees and evaluate the dozens accordingly. So sell the same number of dozens and then evaluate according to whatever is required. So just make the relationship hold true whatever has been provided in the question. And once you do that, these kind of questions becomes very easy and you don't have to solve anything on it. So that's it for this question. Thank you.